Messaging and threads. Once you have been set up to use Webex, you'll be able to collaborate with other Webex users in a variety of ways. One of the main communication methods available to you is Webex Messaging. Messaging can take place directly between you and another individual Webex user, or messages can be sent within a space to all members of that space. In addition to sending messages, you can add attachments, take screen captures, and add GIFs. You can also add mentions by inserting the @ symbol followed by an individual user's name to alert that individual, or @ followed by all to alert all members of the space. Anyone who receives a mention can filter their messages to view messages sent directly to them, or to view messages sent to everyone in a space. Direct messaging. There may be circumstances when you wish to send a message directly to an individual rather than the whole space. To send a message directly to another user, click the Add button. Click Send a direct message. Then enter the name of the person to be directly messaged. Any previous messages between you and the recipient will be displayed. Type your message in the message field. The recipient's replies to your message will be displayed. Messaging others in a space. If you wish to message all users within the space, select the space to which the message will be added. Click the Messages tab, then type a message in the message field. Those recipients who have seen the message are displayed at the bottom of the message screen, along with those who have yet to see the message. Any unread messages are also highlighted for any teams and spaces. Message notifications. You may see a variety of message notifications as you use the Webex application. Message notifications include a solid dot, which depicts that there are unread messages in a space, an @ symbol. This indicates that there are unread messages where you or everyone in a space are mentioned. The Add to Space icon, which highlights that someone has added you to a space. Webex meetings. When you are composing a message, you can also add an attachment to the message, add a screen capture, format the message text, and add a website link to the message. You can also add an emoji or symbol. There is also the option to add an animated GIF to the message, or add a link to a My Personal Room invitation. Messaging and threads. There may be occasions when you receive multiple messages from individuals or from various spaces that make it difficult for you to keep track. Therefore, to follow a particular message conversation, you can create a message thread that can be inserted within the conversation. To start a thread, hover your cursor over a message of interest. Click Start a Thread. Enter a message to accompany the thread and click Send. The thread is inserted within the message conversation at the selected point. Individuals can reply to the thread at that point in the message conversation. You can also filter any threads to which you are assigned. Editing messages. Quote a message. You can edit a message that you have added to a space or sent directly to an individual user. Select the message and then right-click on the message. For example, you may wish to quote the message within a space. To do so, select Quote Message. You can also select Quote from the message bar. The message will be quoted within the space or direct conversation within which the message was initially created. If you decide to delete the quotation, click the Delete icon. The quotation is deleted. Editing a message. To edit a message you have added to a conversation, select your message to be edited. Click the Edit icon. Edit the message as required. Then click Update. The updated message is displayed. Flag a message. You may wish to add a flag to a message so that you can follow up the message at a later time. Select the message, then click the flag icon. A flag will be added to the message. All of your flagged messages can be filtered. And once filtered, the flagged messages are displayed along with the date and time of the messages. Adding a reaction to a message. If required, you can also add a reaction to a message within a conversation. Select the message in question, then click the Add Reaction icon. Choose a reaction from the displayed list. The reaction will be added to the message.